When Warren Buffett said, "Be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful," he was describing what is known as a contrarian investing strategy. In this video, we'll explain what contrarian investing is, how it works, and how it has historically played out. We'll also explore how investors can apply this strategy to their investment approach and learn a bit more about Bajaj Finserv Multi-Cap Fund with a contrarian investment strategy. Contrarian investing is a market strategy where investors take positions against prevailing market trends. When the majority panic sells, contrarians may look for opportunities. When hype drives overvaluation, they step back. This approach is based on the idea that markets often overreact, creating price mismatches that some investors aim to capitalize on. A contrarian investor is like a salmon swimming upstream, going against the tide to find opportunities where others see risk. Contrarian investing involves assessing market sentiment, checking indicators like the Market Mood Index or MMI on ticker tape to identify excessive fear or optimism, looking for discrepancies between sentiment and fundamentals, reviewing financial statements. Is a fundamentally strong company undervalued? Monitoring sector sentiment. Are businesses with long-term potential currently out of favor? Checking valuation ratios, PE, PB, and DCF models to identify potential undervaluation. Investing when pessimism is high and setting exit strategies when optimism peaks. Observing investor sentiment indicators, example VIX, put call ratios, etc. Using historical data to compare past downturns and recoveries. Planning entry and exit strategies rather than reacting emotionally. Let's look at a few historical instances where contrarian investing played out. Nathan Rothschild and the Battle of Waterloo. During the Napoleonic Wars, panic gripped British markets, leading to a bond sell-off. Nathan bought British bonds at low prices while others feared the worst. When Britain won, bond prices surged, showcasing the potential of investing in undervalued assets during fear-driven sell-offs. Warren Buffett and the 2008 financial crisis. The 2008 financial crisis led to a global market crash with the S&P 500 dropping nearly 50% from its peak. While panic selling continued, Warren Buffett publicly advocated for long-term investing, stating, "Buy American, I am." His message: fear-driven declines often present investment opportunities in fundamentally strong businesses. Behavioral biases often lead to irrational investment decisions, creating potential opportunities for contrarians. Herd mentality. Investors follow the crowd, leading to overbought or oversold conditions. Recency bias. People focus on recent market trends and ignore long-term fundamentals. Overreaction. Emotional responses to news create extreme price swings. Loss aversion. Investors tend to sell at losses due to fear, often missing potential long-term recovery opportunities. Periods of extreme market sentiment often lead to potential long-term opportunities for those who think independently. Now that we understand how contrarian investing works, how can it be applied? Tracking market sentiment using indicators and valuation metrics. Finding fundamentally strong businesses that the market may have undervalued. Exploring investment vehicles that follow contrarian principles. One way to apply this strategy without picking individual stocks is through mutual funds that follow a contrarian investment approach. Introducing Bajaj Finserv Multi-Cap Fund. The Bajaj Finserv Multi-Cap Fund applies contrarian investing principles by aiming to identify undervalued stocks before market sentiment shifts, leverage business cycles to invest in sectors with recovery potential, balance exposure across large, mid, and small cap stocks as per SEBI mandated allocation. This allows investors to gain exposure to different market segments while benefiting from professional fund management. Market cycles impact different stock categories differently. A multi-cap approach ensures participation across large, mid, and small cap segments, capturing potential opportunities. Economic cycles shift over time. A multi-cap strategy provides flexibility for fund managers to adjust allocation as per market trends. India's economic growth is broad-based. Government-driven infrastructure spending, a rising middle class, and manufacturing expansion create opportunities across different market caps. SEBI-mandated structure ensures diversification. Unlike flexi-cap funds, multi-cap funds must allocate at least 25% to each large, mid, and small cap segment, aiming to provide both stability and growth potential. Market volatility can be managed better with a diversified approach. A multi-cap fund can spread risk while capturing potential long-term opportunities across different market caps. Contrarian investing isn't just for legendary investors. It's a strategy that can be integrated into a disciplined long-term investment plan. Bajaj Finserv Multi-Cap Fund applies this strategy systematically across market caps, helping investors navigate volatility and identify potential value opportunities. NFO is open now. Check out the link in the description for more details. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully before investing.